Big shout out to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Hi guys, I'm Maddie, but you can call me Macerly, and if it's one thing I get told on a daily basis, it's that I look like other people. Classmates, YouTube comments, Instagram followers, people on the street even. Apparently I have a face and hair that reminds people of other people. Instead of changing that and becoming my own unique self, I decided I would attempt to become even more similar to the people I already look like today. This entire challenge was done on Instagram, so if you're not following me there already, then... And also comment down below which other people have told you you look like, because that's always fun. Alright, without further ado, let's get right into this video. The first person I had to tackle was of course the person I've been told I look like the most. This was the photo I wanted to recreate, which meant I had to go out and about and look for a pretty garden or a pretty park. I'm on my way to meet Justine and we're gonna take some photos. So we're currently looking for a location. It was supposed to be sunny today. The forecast said sunny weather and 20 degrees. However, does it look sunny? No, but we'll just have to fix that in Photoshop later. Currently waiting for the sun. Yeah. Where is it when we need it? Og så har hodet litt ned. Sånn, ja. Jeg telte 3 år siden, fordi jeg dør i øynene. Actually, kudos to Maddie for managing to have her eyes open in the photo she took, because in my case the sun was behind clouds and I couldn't even open my eyes. So Maddie, you go girl. We have a couple of photos. It didn't really become as sunny as we would like it to. With a little bit of editing, this might become pretty nice. I sorted out the ones where I looked the most like Maddie and the ones that looked like the picture the most, and then we went to edit them. Most of the comments that tell me I look like someone are telling me that I look like Maddie, and I think it's because we have the same smile, sort of. She originally had a photo where she didn't smile, but I decided to smile in that photo just because I think the similar is more visible when I smile, so that's why. Also, I messed up big time while editing away a foot in the photo. But anyway, now we're gonna go to Vesco and just edit the photo a little bit more so it looks more like the Maddie photo. Alright, let's go into Instagram and post this photo. Now let's post. It's posted and it definitely doesn't match to my feed, but that's okay. As you can see, we don't live in LA. The sun doesn't look like that in Norway, so that was kind of an issue here. So I wasn't really surprised when no one commented that there's a resemblance and that this photo looks like the Maddie photo. But anyway, over to day 2, Margot Robbie. I really want to recreate the Once Upon a Time photo, which has been on Margot Robbie's Instagram. But that meant we had to go and find a yellow building, which proved to be harder than I thought. Alright, we saw a yellow house and we're about to go there because Finally, because we need to take a picture like the one that Margot Robbie did. Does it look like the photo? Yeah. Kind of. Move this bench a little and we can just stand like here. No? But we did get the photos eventually. Look at these. We got the photos. Where are you going? I want to show the photos! No. Then it was time to edit and post the photos. Alright, it's day 2 of this challenge. I think we need to make this a little bit more yellowish. Maybe some saturation. Let's go to Instagram. I'm scared if I would do Once Upon a Time, people would get it. Look at that sunset. It looks like a fairy tale. Because Once Upon a Time, fairy tale, how it starts. If you know, you know. Very, very subtle hint, but it'll do. Okay. It's posted. Quickly after I posted this photo, I got comments that this looked a lot like the Margot Robbie Once Upon a Time photo, which was really funny. That meant I succeeded in my attempt to make me look more like other people. However, this challenge has just started and it's about to get even more intense. Day 3, Cameron Diaz. For the Cameron photos, I had to pick out photos when she was young because most of the comments that I get saying I look like Cameron is that I look like her when she was younger. I picked out a photo from her at a bar or something and I wanted to recreate that photo. So we went to our local juicery, which was like dark and moody, and we got the photos there. Does it work though? And sorry for not filming tons of that juicery bar. It was a little bit embarrassing because there was one guy looking at us the entire time and I didn't want to film any more than I had to. So YouTube public filming anxiety is a thing. yeah. Alright, it's time for post number 3. I went into Wesco and I put on the B3 filter because without the filter it looks nice, but it really messes up my feed. And also when I think back about the Cameron photo, I always feel like it is in black and white because it's like a retro kind of photo. So let's go into Instagram and post the photo. I'm gonna post dreaming because it looks like I'm dreaming, and then some cloud emojis because that's what I'm feeling right now. All right, let's post and see what happens. I don't think I look anything like Cameron in this photo actually. It's very different. We don't really look the same when we're like from the side and we're not smiling. And obviously she's like 10 years older than me in this photo as well, so a little bit more mature in the face. So it will be exciting when I do the second Cameron photo to see if there's a better resemblance. Day 4, Maddie Ziegler 2.0. A couple of weeks ago when Maddie got 13 million followers, she posted this very like care photo, which I thought was hilarious and also super cool. So I wanted to recreate that photo, and also in the photo it looks like she has pretty blonde hair, which fits me because apparently I look like a blonde Maddie Ziegler. Alright, we're doing the Maddie photo. I found the one singlet top that I had in my entire closet. I got my hair a little bit dry, so it's still a little bit wet, and it looks like Maddie's. And I'm just waiting for the sun. That's the problem with not living in LA. It's not sunny every day. Alright, I've just looked through all the photos and I think we found the one. The only thing that annoys me is that her hair is like a little bit like this in the photo, and when I do that, like when I do my hair like that, it just looks weird. I mean, this doesn't look like Maddie. This just looks like I've like combed my hair wrong. So after I deleted all the photos that I didn't like, it was time to edit the ones I actually thought looked pretty similar to the Maddie photo. The time is 2, which means it's a great time to post another Instagram. So first up, we're going to go edit the photos. The Maddie photo originally is very natural, so I don't think we need a lot of editing. Make it a little bit darker so that it looks like it's more of a sunset vibe. I'm gonna make it a little bit more sharp maybe. I think that's it, yeah. So those are the photos that we're going to post. We're going to post 2 today because that's the vibe. I feel like Maddie does that quite often. She posts 2 photos or more. Sunday mood. Alright, it's posted. Let's see if anyone thinks I remind them of Maddie Ziegler. This was the finished result. I think the photos look really similar and my followers apparently did as well. Day 5, Gigi Hadid. I feel like it's a very big compliment that people tell me I look like Gigi because obviously she's like a supermodel. But I wanted to create this really fun photo of her. I think it's from Coachella when she has this dress that I sort of also have. I mean, it's pretty similar. It's like a Zara copy. But before all that, the first thing I needed to do was to comb my eyebrows like really high because that's what Gigi does and it looks amazing. So I had to go outside in my garden, freestyle a little bit with the furniture, grab something to eat. Not nachos, I'm sorry, we didn't have that in our fridge. We're gonna do the healthy route, strawberries. After I've done this challenge for 5 days now, I think one of the more fun things that I didn't really think would come out of this is that I've been able to try a couple of different styles that I would never wear myself and that I would find it a little bit embarrassing to go out with in public. But now that we've done this, I'm like, okay, we got the docs. Let's do this. How is she doing this photo? She's like, what is she been doing? Like, I don't have that long legs. But I could do like cross leg, you know? This is a good strawberry, by the way. Very sugary, very sweet. So the recording is stopped automatically because apparently I filled up my entire camera memory, but I think we got some really great photos. And I got to eat a little as well, so that's good. I'm gonna go inside and screenshot some of the photos. We're gonna do this best dressed Instagram style and we'll see if we get any good ones. Once that was done, I had to quickly run inside to edit the photos and post them to my Instagram. Alright, let's go into Instagram and post these photos. So we're gonna post those 2 and we're gonna go, this could have been pre-festival, but it's just me munching on berries, yum yum. It's posted, woo! Except for the fact that nobody realized that this was a copy of the Gigi photo. The only thing that annoyed me is that I had, since this challenge started, lost 200 followers. So apparently people don't like me copying other people's photos. I need to be more original. So sorry about that. But if you like me copying other people's photos, then, you know, give me a follow and support me so that I can get my 200 followers back. That would be great. Thanks. Anyway, let's move on. Day 6, Cameron Diaz. And no, I didn't do Sunday because Sunday is a resting day, you guys. You don't work on Sundays. The Cameron photo was a bit of a challenge because first of all, I didn't have a single red dress. Currently in H&M trying to find a dress similar to one that Cameron is wearing in the photo. I don't know. I feel like this one is the most similar to the one Cameron is wearing. However, it has these things on the side. Alright, we might have found something, so I'm going to try them on and see which one is the best. After I bought that dress, it was time to embarrass myself socially. I've been so scared of my entire life. While taking these photos in a restaurant with my friend Justine. This took 15 minutes, we got a lot of stares, but in the end it was all fun and games. It was a good experience to have had, I guess. Yeah. And then it was time to go home and edit the photos. So this was the finished result, and a fun fact, I haven't posted the photos to Instagram yet. I have them right here on my phone and I'm going to be uploading as soon as this video goes live. So if you're watching this, then go into my Instagram at Macerly Official, like the photos or maybe even all the photos in this challenge, and comment which one you thought the resemblance was most alike on. I hope you found this challenge fun and original, and let me know if you want me to take a deep dive into any of these people and do like 7 days of recreating their type of photos. If you have any new and original ideas you want to put into the world, creating a website is definitely the first step, and Squarespace is definitely the way to go. Squarespace gives people a beautiful and powerful online platform from which you can create your website. And on the site you can choose from tons of designer and award-winning templates. And for all us phone addicts out there, yes, I see you all. Management of your blog and its comments has never been easier, as Squarespace allows you to use their on-the-go mobile app to do exactly that. Go to squarespace.com/Macerly and get a free trial and 10% off your first purchase. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone! Mwah.